Have you ever seen a white peacock? Or have you ever seen a white lion? Or have you ever seen a white crow? Or even a white elephant? And have you ever seen a white parrot? If not, then don't worry, because in today's video, we are going to show you 10 rare white animals that will make you unable to believe your own eyes. This video is going to be very interesting, so make sure to watch till the end. Now let's get started. White crow. The moment we hear about a crow, an image of a black-colored bird instantly comes to our mind. This happens because since childhood, we have always seen crows in black color. But if I tell you that white crows also exist in this world, would you believe it? Maybe not. However, white crows can be found in many parts of the world. They are known as albino crows. Their features are just like normal crows. The only difference is their white color. Their claws and legs are pink instead of black, and their beaks are also white. The interesting thing is that they live with other crows and eat the same food as them. The only difference is that they look more beautiful than the others. These white crows cannot stay under sunlight for a long time, which is why they are rarely seen in daylight. And most white crows are domesticated. White peacock. White peacocks are very rare in the world, and seeing one is considered lucky. However, don't mistake them for albino peacocks. This is not an albino peacock, but a type of peacock that is completely white. They are born white due to a genetic mutation, and their eyes are blue. Due to the migration issue of pigment cells, they become completely white in color. These white peacocks are mostly found in India and South Asia, and since their feathers have no color, they look even more beautiful. White giraffe. You have probably seen normal giraffes in a zoo or on TV. Their tall height makes them very attractive. At one time, scientists believed that there were no white giraffes in the world. But in 2016, a white giraffe was seen for the first time in a forest in Tanzania. Since then, scientists have accepted that white giraffes do exist in the world. After that, in 2017, 2 more white giraffes were seen. One was a female giraffe, and the other was her baby. When research was conducted on them, it was discovered that this is a special condition called leucism. In leucism, the giraffe's color gradually starts turning white and eventually becomes completely white. According to a report, there are only about 8 to 10 white giraffes in the entire world. So just imagine how rare these white giraffes are. White lion. There are very few people in the world who don't know about lions. They are known as the king of animals, meaning the king of the jungle. Lions are also considered one of the most famous animals in the world. Since childhood, you have seen many golden-colored lions. But have you ever seen a white lion? Probably not, because white lions are very rare. However, don't assume that these lions have a disease called albinism. Instead, their white color is caused by a genetic mutation known as leucism. These special lions range from light golden to pure white, and they look very beautiful. Their scientific name is Panthera leo. A male lion can grow about 3.5 to 4 feet tall and up to 10 feet long. Female lions are about 6 feet long and around 3.6 feet tall. Their weight can reach up to 240 kilograms, and they can live for about 18 years. White lions are less aggressive compared to normal lions, and mostly hunt small animals and birds. One thing you may not know is that lion cubs are born blind, and from birth up to 3 years, they depend completely on their mother. White elephant. Since childhood, you have seen many elephants in dark colors. But if I ask you whether you have ever seen a white elephant, your answer would probably be no. That's because most elephants we see are dark-colored. However, a few years ago, a white elephant was spotted in Tamil Nadu, India. After that, many people thought it had been painted white. But in reality, white elephants are never pure snow white. They are usually light pink in color. White elephants are mostly found in Thailand. Most people in Thailand do not consider white elephants to be albino. Instead, they believe that white elephants are symbols of purity. They also consider them symbols of power and royalty. Indian white parrot. Have you ever heard of a white parrot? Probably not. But recently, a white parrot was spotted in India. Usually, parrots are green, but this parrot is completely white, like milk. The reason it is white is due to leucism. This is a genetic condition in which the body lacks the pigments responsible for color. However, remember that this is not an albino bird. Finding such white parrots in the world is extremely rare, and they are very rarely seen. I'm sure you have never seen such a white parrot before. And if you have, be sure to let us know in the comments. White snake. Since childhood, you may have seen snakes of many colors. But have you ever seen a white snake? Probably not, because this is one of the rarest snakes found in the world. It is not easily seen by humans. These snakes have completely white bodies, and their eyes are red. These white snakes are not very venomous like other snakes, which is why other animals often attack them. Because of their white color, they cannot hide anywhere in the wild. That's why they are mostly seen in zoos. White cockroach. All the cockroaches you have seen so far were probably dark brown or black. But today, we're going to show you a white cockroach, which you may have never seen before. Let me tell you that this is not a new species of cockroach. It is actually just like a normal cockroach. The only difference is that it lacks pigmentation. In many cases, cockroaches may appear white at first, but after some time they turn brown again. This does not happen because of anything mysterious. Instead, it occurs when a cockroach sheds its old skin and grows a new one. During that time, their color changes. Taiwanese white dolphin. As the name suggests, these white dolphins are found in Taiwan. They are also known as Indo-Pacific humpback dolphins. These dolphins were first seen in shallow waters along the western coast of Taiwan. Since then, the word Taiwan has been added to their name. These bright white dolphins look much more attractive than regular dolphins. Along with white, they can also appear in a light pink color. When it comes to reproduction, experts say that these dolphins reproduce every 2 years. White dolphins are an extremely rare species, which is why they are not easily seen by humans. White crocodile. Crocodiles are usually found in 2 main colors, black and brown or sometimes light green. But white crocodiles, also known as albino crocodiles, are very rare. Their bodies are completely white from head to tail. A normal crocodile has black eyes, but white crocodiles have light pink eyes, which makes them look very unique. They are not easily seen. These white crocodiles require special care because they cannot stay in sunlight like normal crocodiles. Also, their skin is much softer compared to regular crocodiles. Because of this, they are usually found only in zoos or special conservation centers where they remain safe. The white color of these crocodiles is caused by a genetic condition called albinism. This condition is not only found in animals, but also in humans. Due to this condition, the skin, hair, and eye color can become completely white. That is why these crocodiles are also called albino crocodiles. Their numbers are very low in the world, which is why they are considered so special. So friends, these were the 10 rarest white animals in the world. Out of these 10 animals, which one surprised you the most? Be sure to let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to tell us how you liked the video. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like.